YouTube? It's Johnny Utah, the Tool-a-saurus. That's me, Doris the Toolasaurus. Got this weird thing. It's a RSA, I don't know what the hell it is. It's kind of like a clamp. You spin it around like this. It only goes that far. Spin it around like this. It doesn't spring back. It just unwinds. From what I checked on eBay, this thing is a lumber stamper. Just the name here for RSA lumber. Apparently it stamps a number in 2x4s. It's pretty cool. It's weird. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with it, but it was like $3 or something. So, oh, what the hell. I also got this weird gadget. It's like, what does it say on here? It says, the Morgan Manufacturing Company, Inc., Keene, New Hampshire, patented. And that's pretty much it. It's got a little ratcheting like mechanism, which doesn't seem to work at the moment. See, if you hold it down, it'll go forward. If you hold it this way, it'll go backward. I am guessing it's for prying something apart. Put it in there and pry it out, like kind of like those. What do you call it? Use the bolts, the clamps there. What do you call it for? It's pretty neat. You can see the writing in there. I thought it was neat, kind of weird. So and apparently somebody pointed out online it's got Acme thread, because the thread spurts online know everything. So I bought that, and the rest is just old shit that he had. Yeah, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. I didn't buy much tools because it's been so hot and ridiculous that I didn't want to buy anything. So yeah, right, I don't want to buy anything. That's a lie. I'd like to buy the whole upstate New York if I had the chance. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, click some of the buttons. Check out some of the dudes listed below, or who I have listed. We got some cool channels. They're all doing some cool things. If anybody has already subscribed to my channel, thanks again. Awesome. Enjoy.